AI isn't just about answering questions anymore. It's about deciding who's going to rule the internet and your wallet in 2025. Because let's face it, if you're not using the right AI tool today, someone else is already making money while you're still testing prompts. So the big question is, ChatGPT 5, Grok 4, Claude, or Gemini? Who actually wins the AI war in 2025? And more importantly, which one can help you earn the most money this year? Let's break it down.
What makes ChatGPT 5 stand out? ChatGPT 5 is like the smartest consultant you can hire. Its reasoning is scary good, and people are already using it to automate entire side hustles, copywriting, customer service, even code freelancing. The downside? OpenAI does use user data for training, so privacy is shaky. But for a side hustler, it's like paying a few bucks for a personal assistant that can generate ideas, strategies, and full scripts for YouTuber blogs.
Why are people hyped about Claude? Claude isn't just another chatbot. With its 200,000 token context, it can handle giant documents like legal contracts, research papers, or even an entire book without losing track. That means lawyers, researchers, and finance pros are saving thousands of dollars by letting Claude do the first draft or analysis. If you're into consulting or freelancing, Claude is basically your deep dive money machine.
What's special about Grok 4? Here's where things get spicy. Grok 4 is plugged directly into real-time internet data thanks to Elon Musk's X/Twitter. That means stock market updates, trending business news, even sports stats instantly. If you're a trader, a content creator, or even running a news-style YouTube channel, this tool can give you the edge. Downside, it's locked behind an expensive Twitter Premium subscription. But for people who monetize speed and information, it's worth it.
Where does Google's Gemini fit in? Gemini is Google's big gun. With a 1 million token flash model, it can handle text, images, audio, and even video together. Think about it, planning a full video with script, thumbnail ideas, SEO keywords all inside.
So, which AI actually wins in 2025? The truth? None of them win alone. The one that wins is the one you actually use to make money.